Today, I'm giving you the steps. I'm giving you the keys. I'm giving you the formula. The keys, the steps, the walkway, and the path. This is a good one. Watching another episode of Curls with Ree, where we talk about all things natural hair. This series is designed to help educate and empower all curly, kinky, and coily girls across the world. Let's get into today's topic. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ree. So nice to meet you. And today, I'm giving you the keys. I'm giving you the plug. I'm giving you the tools, the outlets, the walkthrough, all of it. I'm giving it to you. I'm giving you I don't say bulletproof because that don't make any sense, but a beginner's proof guide to a natural hair routine that works. This video is for anybody if you're a new natural and you just want to learn some tips and tricks, or if you just want to know like, hey, how can I basically build something like a natural hair routine that works? This video is for you. If you are a continuing natural, you've been a curly girl for a while and you're just like, let me just see what this girl talking about, this video is for you. And yeah, for anybody who's interested in learning these things, these are the things that have worked for me, like in my natural hair journey. So just to backtrack on where this came from, I thought to myself, I said to myself, Ree, myself said yes. What video would I enjoy, or what I would have want to watch when I was new to being natural again, and when I chopped off all my hair and I was trying to like figure things out, like what video would I want to watch? Cue this video. This is the video that I would have wanted to watch. So I'm giving you the keys. I'm giving you everything that I wanted to know when I first was starting off at natural. Press pause right there. Get your pen, get your paper. This is serious. Let's repeat. We're going to be talking about how to build a natural routine that works. Works for what, you say? Works for hair growth, works for maintenance, works for like less breakage, all those things. Plus, we're going to pile it up into a way that is affordable, that will not break your bank. As naturals, there's a lot. There's all these things floating around now. There's all these not makeup brands, but there are all these beauty brands, natural hair brands. They're selling you this, they're selling you that. Tracy Ross has a brand. Oh, Taraji has a brand. Oh, Carol Daughter. Oh, Shea Moisture. All these brands. But no one's really, I feel like, formulating the tools in terms of like, hey girl, so if you're new to being natural, just get these. Versus, hey girl, try this. And then you get lost and you get flustered and bewildered. We're trying to avoid that. I'm giving you the hey girl package. Buy these steps or get these products or formulate this step into your wash day and you're set. Just a full disclaimer, I am not a hair chemist, hair cosmetologist. I don't even know what these words is. I don't do hair, I just do my own hair, and from doing my own hair, this is what I've learned, and this is what I'm sharing with you. So I hope you appreciate it. Why am I doing this? I don't know, but yeah. So we're just gonna get into it. This is a natural hair routine that I believe is guaranteed to work no matter your hair type. You will see growth and you will see kind of progress in your hair, as I've kind of shown in some of my pictures. So yeah, I just want to get into my natural hair routine. Just for anybody who's trying to grow their hair or maintain their curls, this works for you. So it is a 6-step routine that I feel as though locks in all the products that you need to maintain juicy, healthy curls. So just so you know, guys, this is part 1. So if we get this video to a good amount of likes, so make sure to like the video if you enjoy it and you want to see more content from me and you want to see a part 2, I can definitely talk about maybe the extras and the add-ons to this routine that I do and that you can probably do as well. But I just wanted to give you the basic formula that you need to get those curls popping. So step 1, shampoo. So more specifically, you need a clarifying shampoo. I feel as though every curly girl needs a shampoo, because at some point we cannot be walking around with our hair musty. After a while, if you're using products continuously, your hair will develop product buildup. So product buildup basically means that you're applying gel, applying this, applying that all over your hair, and it's basically just staying on your hair for a long period of time, and it's going to create some flakiness and crustiness that nobody wants. That being said, I am very team shampoo. So I think every curly girl needs a shampoo in order for her scalp to be cleansed, her or his. We are gender neutral here. Sorry. Her or his scalp to be clear, just so you allow some healthy growth to go in there. And when your scalp is clear, your hair can kind of grow so much. In my opinion, I feel as though my hair grows better when my scalp is actually clean versus when my scalp is dirty. I just feel as though it's not like a good foundation for hair growth. No, get yourself a shampoo. My product recommendation would be Shea Moisture. I love their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Glow Shampoo. I mentioned it in my wash day routine that I will link right here. But yeah, I recommend that. That has been working for me for years, really since I started being natural. And I also used it when I was relaxed. So there you go. It works for relaxed, natural, probably locks, all kind of hair types. I really love that shampoo. It has peppermint, apple cider vinegar, black castor oil. It's just a very good shampoo, and it clarifies the scalp while still not stripping it of too much of its natural oils. So that's step one, shampoo. Enjoying the video so far? Please go down there, subscribe, join the family, be a part of this. This is a thing. You want to be a part of it? Yes. Step two, you need a good co-wash, especially with these summer months coming, and like you want to rock your little wash and goes, you want to rock your little twist outs, your little braid outs, you want to do your little styles, you want to go to the beach whenever that becomes a thing. You don't need to wash your hair every time it's wet. You more so just need to wash your hair to kind of remove product buildup. So let's say I go to the beach, or I go to the pool, or let's say I just do like a wash and go for a few days, but my hair isn't really dirty. I can use that co-wash to just gently cleanse, as opposed to using a shampoo that is a more harsh version of a cleanser. So you're using your co-wash just to kind of gently cleanse your scalp, and I feel like it's an essential step, and I feel like it's good to have a shampoo and a co-wash, because those two, it depends on the circumstances, and it depends on what the curly girl needs on that wash day. Curly girl or guy, I did it again. But it depends on what you need, to be honest. And I think a shampoo and then having a step two co-wash gives you that flexibility that you need in your routine to work. So the co-wash that I would recommend is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Everybody talks about this co-wash, and they talk about it because it's that good. So now we're going on to step, what was that? We're going on to step three. That is deep conditioner. You need it. Say it with me. I need a deep conditioner, because I don't understand why it's still an option. You need deep conditioner in your wash day routine. Don't let a wash day go by without using deep conditioner. That's my little rule, and I'm passing it on to you. Please put some conditioner on your hair every time you wash it, because what that does is that revitalizes your curls, that pumps back in your moisture, that gets those strands together. All of the dirtiness, all of the dryness, all of the problems really just melt away with a good deep conditioner. So for this step, I do have a 3A and a 3B. So for me, I really feel as though every girl needs a moisturizing deep conditioner and a protein deep conditioner. And that helps to maintain the balance between your hair. So especially when you're natural, your hair gets dry really fast. Comes with the territory, this is what God has placed on our scalp, and we deal with it. Your hair gets dry. So you need that moisturizing deep conditioner to pump back in that moisture. And you need a protein deep conditioner because your hair is so dry, it's susceptible to a lot of breakage. So you need that protein to kind of replenish those hair strands and strengthen your hair strands, so they will last longer. So you need that protein to maintain your hair, to prevent breakage, but you need that moisturizing deep conditioner just to replenish and moisturize, basically. I hope I'm making sense. So for moisturizing deep conditioner, there are so many moisturizing deep conditioners, but I'll just mention a few of my favorites. I really do like the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Mask is one of my favorite moisturizing deep conditioners. When I put that on my hair, also because I'm low porosity and it has honey in it, which is very good for low porosity hair, it just sucks it in. My hair loves that deep conditioner, and it's a great moisturizing deep conditioner. A protein deep conditioner I recommend that I also mentioned in my wash day routine is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Protein Power Treatment. That's a good protein treatment, and it does have a little bit of moisture, which helps to maintain that balance. So you can also try, I think it's ORS or African Pride. They have a hair mayonnaise that I can show as well. I've been using that since I was relaxed, since I was a little girl, and that is really good. Cheap protein deep conditioner. It really works. Another one I would recommend is probably the Afro G 2-step protein treatment. That is harsh, and if you have a lot of dry, damaged curls, I'd really recommend it to revive your curls, because it really does work, but it's very harsh, but it works, and it's a very intense protein treatment. That's step 3, y'all. If anything, if you leave here with nothing, you leave here knowing I will deep condition my hair. Okay guys, so we went through shampoo, co-wash, deep conditioner. The last 3 steps in my 6-step routine pertain to the LOC method or the LCO method. So for those who don't know, LOC, or I do LCO, to be honest, I'll just say LCO from now on. So I do the LCO, which is the leave-in, cream, and oil, and this is what I carry into my styling. So after I rinse out my deep conditioner and I'm on to the styling, no matter what I do, wash and go, twist out, braid out, bantu knots, pin the curls, whatever I do, I try to apply the LCO method to it to make sure that I'm sealing in my moisture and my curls end up with a little bit of oomph at the end of it. And I do think it's helped me to like see growth throughout the years. It's because I'm not just maintaining my hair on the wash day and rinsing it out. I'm locking in that moisture and I'm carrying it into my regular day. So you know, it's like you spend your wash day giving your hair a lot of moisture. Pow, 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 pow. Moisture, moisture, moisture. Protein, protein, protein. Then you rinse it out. Then your hair is like, what's next? Sis, we got you. We're putting that back in. We're giving you more moisture. We're helping you with some cream. We're letting you seal it. It's all a process. So leave-in, you basically put this on after you're out of the shower. You just did your deep conditioning. Your hair is like, thank you, we're so moisturized. You just put a little bit on. You just be like, okay girl, this is the last you to mild, because at the end of the day we're doing wash day, but we want our hair to be moisturized until the next wash day. So these are the steps that we take so that our hair can retain and stay moisturized all the way until the next wash day. So you go in with your leave-in conditioner. I recommend the Curls Blueberry Bliss. Sorry, they have a really good leave-in conditioner, as well as I Am. I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's very, very good as well. So those 2 leave-in conditioners I recommend. But there are a lot of leave-in conditioners out there. Find whatever one works for you. These are just my product recommendations of the things that I have tried and tested and I know that work for my hair. But I definitely encourage you to find something that works for you. So you need a curl cream that works. You need a curl cream that works for you. You need a curl cream that pumps back in, that kind of replenishes the strand and provides that moisture that you want so it can last throughout the week or throughout how long you want to keep the style for. So curl creams I recommend is the Shea Moisture Hibiscus and something Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Very good. For twist outs, I always recommend Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Twisting Souffle. That thing is bomb. Another curl cream I like is actually the Cream of Nature, not their honey line, the original line. They have a really good curl cream that I like. And yeah, you just need a curl cream that kind of acts as like a mini deep conditioner and pumps back in that moisture before you seal it with the oil. So the last step in this process, this 6-part basic natural hair routine process, is you need a good oil. You need an oil, and I love oils because to me they help to seal. I mainly use a lot of sealing oils. Try to put a little bit moisturizing oils in there too, just to add on. It's like an add-on, a boost of moisture, but I like my oils to just seal all that good product in. Products are expensive. We need them to last. We need them to serve their purpose. So when I'm putting on a product, I use that oil. I need that oil to seal this in. This hairstyle will last me This hairstyle is not gonna go to waste. We don't waste hairstyles, we don't waste product. There is a pandemic out there. We need to be serious. We're not wasting. Personally, I use a lot of my own DIY oils, but you can use honestly any kind of hair company's oil. Just read the ingredients and make sure it doesn't have a lot of fillers in it, or try to aim for like 100% natural or 100% pure oil. For sealing, castor oil is way too thick. I don't recommend that. My favorites are grapeseed and jojoba, and I do like almond and avocado. So those are 4 oils that I recommend. A lot of hair brand collections come with their own oil that kind of works best with the products. So if you want, you can just get kind of like the recommended oil that comes with the line. I don't feel like an oil has to be kind of like a break the bank situation. And plus, it's a very multi-use product. So you can use your oil. Some people use their oil in their hair and then cook with the oil. It's up to you. Do what makes you happy. But the point is, your hair routine needs an oil because that's gonna help your scalp health. That's gonna seal in that moisture. That's gonna help with that growth. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this 6-step routine that I broke down. This is kind of like the video I would have wanted when I was like first chopping my hair off and I was trying to understand natural hair products and the products that I needed. I felt as though I didn't really see a video that kind of compacted everything into something that I can go to an online store or a beauty supply store and buy. But I wanted to provide this to you guys, just hope that it'll help somebody. If you're looking for kind of like a basic beginner's guide to natural hair, just get those 6 products and I promise you will see some results. If you don't see any results, feel free to come for me. It's fine. But I do hope you enjoy this video. If you want to see more videos from me, definitely leave a comment below. Like this video. If we get this video to 50 likes, I will do a part 2. So just 50 likes, I'll hit you guys with a part 2 where we'll talk about the extras like pre-poo gel, all that good stuff, tools, all that stuff. So once we get this video to 50 likes, small task for giants. So 50 likes and we'll get a part 2. But I just wanted to give you guys the basics so we can build on that and develop luscious curls together. Yes, who doesn't want that? I want you to have bouncy curls. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely check out some other videos of mine. Be sure to subscribe, join the party. It's lit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This is serious. I put on my good clothes. The products that you need to succeed. Yes, killing it. We are all in this together. High School Musical. I'm quoting things. You don't like it?